Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome back to English for Beginners channel. Here we practice listening and speaking English. Please subscribe this channel. 1, 2, 3. Thanks a lot. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You are listening to dialogue. So, Rachel, what are your plans for tomorrow? Tomorrow I will be going to work. Work. Yay. That's okay. I like money. The money is good. That, yeah. So, before you go to work, do you have like any special daily routine that you do? My work pregame, I guess you could call it. Your work pregame. Pregame. It depends on what time of day I work, but sometimes I'll make sure I have food. Like I'll do my meal prep in the morning, make sure I have food to eat and, make sure I'm showered. So you shower in the morning? Why no, I generally shower at night. Oh. But if I work late then yeah, I'll shower in the morning. Make sure I have food. Get up. I hit snooze button more than I should. But it's yeah, with my job it's kind of difficult to establish a routine, I would say. I do the same thing though. In the morning, I hit the snooze button quite a few times. I like to sleep until the last possible minute. And then wake up, get dressed and go. But it's not like you're getting more sleep at that point. You're just, procrastinating the inevitable. Yep. You already know that you have to wake up. You just don't want to yet. You just don't want to. The blankets have taken you. That's all for listening and speaking practice. Please share this video to practice with your friends. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.